Ladies and gents, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to plug in a microwave. Step 1, you gotta be connected to your power grid. Step 2, you gotta make sure you have a microwave. My ears, man. And step 3, you gotta grab the power cable. Step 4, plug it into the nearest socket. Wait, how do I use a flashlight? There, you see that? It's done. Look, I'll even unplug it and replug it. Make sure that is the same as this. And then the microwave should work, as long as you have power. I can't turn it on, though. Otherwise, I will get sued by someone who I can't name because this is going online. Wow, everybody! That was the epic YouTube video! And I'll be seeing you next time! The Wheeze on the Basket Man!